He's funny. You got it? You got it? Oh, you got it!
Catfish from.
You guys, last year all of this was woods and it was a lot harder to get to the water, and now it's literally gotten so easy just to get to right over there where I'm fishing. This is the last giant we get at the dam for a little bit. Tune in next time to find out. They're definitely breeding. I just don't get how. Oh, your rod. Yeah, it was gone. You see how it's shaking now? Oh, you see, it's a small fish, whatever it is. Reeling some slack. I think it's like picking it up and then like pulling it and then dropping it. That's what I think is happening. Dude, these carp gotta be spawning soon. You're on. Oh, dude, the Berkeley big game has been my best friend since I started catching big ass catfish.
See, some of the ugly sticks, like that's the ugly sticks for me.
I don't know what it is with the Berkeley big game, but like it's like a cheap ass rod, but it's thick and it just catches giants. Like it can handle anything. Everything.
Let's introduce snakeheads to our ecosystem.
I've been seeing people fish at this one pond that I looked up and it has no fish in it, but now I'm starting to wonder whether or not there actually is fish in it, because oh, it was like before I could even put the bell on.
What a hit! You got it? You got it? Oh, you got it!
I got it! I got it!
What is it? I bet
it's a catfish. It's a catfish.
It's catfish?
It's a catfish.
Daddy?
You're a catfish. You're a catfish. Get over here, catfish. Oh.
I'm trout like to hit from anything. I think they really like to eat the crustaceans.
I just found a
Oh shit, big.
keeper net. Oh, right in my bag. I think this is my my power bait right here. Oh, you got one. Sweet. Right in front of your feet. First fish of the day is Noah's largemouth bass.
Dude, he's 20 million pounds! Ah!
Does he got the spot on his lip? Is he a white bass, or is he a spotted bass, or is he just a regular smallmouth or largemouth? Does he have the rough spot on his tongue? No, that's a largemouth.
Alright, let's get a release on him though. He must leave. Maybe it's somewhere. Oh, I lied.
Oh, how did I miss that? Oh,
Set it! Oh, jeez, dude. Ah, he's funny. He's a little chunkier for sure.
I thought it was a big one, honestly.
It is a slender man.
The way it bit, it crushed it though.
You hooked him through the barb, Dylan.
I hooked him through the barb. There's no way I set the hook.
Right
I set the
here.
hook just in time. Little channel catfish Noah,
release on him.
Noah wasn't paying attention, so I set the hook right before he stopped biting, and then Noah reeled it in.
I keep missing bites. There's like too many rods, so I keep missing.
These little catfish are getting really good at just nibbling at her stuff and then swimming away, so.
Yeah, they found out.
What?
Whoa, that was insane.
As soon as I go to touch my rod.
Oh, that's the biggest, dude.
This is gonna be a good catfish right here. Oh crap.
Not that many rods. Land it, buddy. What? It's like the same size as mine.
It bit hard.
Big games are like the rods to go. Oh, that's mine. That's mine.
Got one?
Oh, he's a big.
Noah's got another. Noah's carrying this video. The baby catfish are out, I guess.
He's a slender man.
I've only gotten one catfish. I've gotten a few bites though, so I'm still in the game. I'm still in there.
Yes! Dylan's got a big one, he says. And it might be a carp. Off the worm. Bro, it's just a catfish!
This whole time it was just a catfish.
Why'd
Why'd you put up such a good fight for a tiny catfish? Here's the fish. I'd say he's about 20 pounds, but give him a good release. Goodbye, buddy. This is the biggest fish of the day. He's like 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds. He's pretty yellow. We've been struggling all day, so it's really nice to be able to get something. But yeah, little channel catfish right here. We're gonna let him go. All right, guys, got me my channel catfish right here. We're gonna let him go. There he goes.
Guys, Dylan's got one. Dylan's got one. He was getting some bites. The phone was not filming. I think it's a catfish.
It's a catfish. It's a decent size.
Not bad. Oh, he's a chunker.
The same exact one.
Is it really?
He's yellow. Look how yellow that guy
he's
is.
yellow like the last one.
He's a solid like 1 pounder, 2 pounder.
Nothing crazy, bro.
Yeah, he's a little chunky. He put up a good fight. I'll take it. All right, guys. First fish of the day is this channel catfish right here at Orleans. It finally stopped raining.
And goodbye.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well there he goes. Noah might have a fish on. He's getting nibbles right now.
No. What?
Nothing.
Oh, there's some bites on Dylan's rod over here. Missed it. Oh, are you over mine? Yeah. I'd assume he's...
Got him.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I'd assume he's still on there. Oh, that's a nice one. Dylan's got his second catfish. We might get some more shrimp and come back out.
This is on the Kool-Aid shrimp.
Oh, dude, the Kool-Aid shrimp's hitting.
Kool-Aid shrimp.
Oh, he's a
It's a little
chunker. Yeah, he's a nice guy. He's a nice one.
There we go.
Nice.
Second fish of the day. This one's a lot.
He's a lot fatter, yeah.
Second fish of the day is this really nice channel catfish right here. Let's go.
I think this is... Yeah.
Dude, it's literally JELLO.
It's gelatin now.
There it goes.
Swims off.
Alright guys, so it started raining again, so we're just gonna go ahead and call it. As you can see, it's currently spitting from the sky all over the place. It's really weird actually. I got 2 catfish today, which is not too bad for me. They put up a good fight. But yeah, that's currently our new spot that we've been going to. We decided to use a new bait option, which was shrimp soaked in some JELLO. We used green, we used orange, so it was nice to be able to use some new bait options as well. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.